Nature has always been the greatest designer. Long before machines, trends, or modern interiors existed, nature shaped forms that were already perfect. Curves without symmetry, textures without repetition, beauty without intention. And few materials capture this natural artistry better than driftwood. Weathered by water, shaped by wind, smoothed by time. Every piece of driftwood carries a silent journey, from forest to river, from river to shore, from nature to human hands. Today, we're exploring a craft where raw nature meets warm light, where organic form becomes functional art. Welcome to the world of nature-inspired tree branch table lamps made from driftwood. These lamps are more than lighting objects. They are stories. They are sculptures. They are fragments of the natural world brought indoors. In an age of mass production and identical designs, handcrafted driftwood lamps stand apart. No two branches are ever the same. No grain repeats itself. No curve can be copied. That uniqueness is their power. A simple tree branch, once overlooked, becomes the heart of a space. Placed on a table, a shelf, or a bedside stand, it instantly changes the atmosphere. The light feels softer, the room feels warmer, the space feels alive. Tree branch lamps connect us back to nature, especially in modern homes filled with glass, concrete, and metal. They introduce balance, they introduce calm, they introduce authenticity. Driftwood is especially meaningful. It represents resilience, time, transformation. Once part of a living tree, then shaped by natural forces, and finally reborn as functional art. Crafting table lamps from driftwood is not about perfection, it's about listening to the material. The branch decides the shape, the knots define the rhythm, the imperfections create character. Some designs feel rustic and raw, untreated wood, visible cracks, natural bends. Others feel refined and modern, clean bases, soft finishes, minimalist